Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the topic simple interest and discount. So objectives by the end of this lesson, students will be able to define simple interest and identify the rules of principal, rate, and time in its calculation. Apply the formula I equals PRT to solve for interest, principal, rate, or time in various real-life situations. Distinguish between simple interest and simple discount and use appropriate formulas to solve related problems. So, simple interest. This is the amount paid or earned as a fixed percentage of the principal amount over the specific period of time. To solve it, to compute it, we use the formula I equals PRT, where I stands for interest earned or owned, P is the principal, the initial amount invested or borrowed, R is the annual interest rate, usually written in decimal form, T is the time or term, measured in years. So, number one example, a bank offers 0.25% annual simple interest rate. How much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos is deposited for 1 year? So solution ang given nato is ang P, which is 1 million. P which is 1 million, and ang R nato is 0.25% equals to 0.0025. So ang T, which is 1 year. So if gamiton na to ang formula nga I equals PRT and then let's substitute the value of P, which is 1 million, which is ang value sa itong P awang I, ang P is 1 million times ang R, which is 0.0025 times 1. So ito na siya times 1 million times 0.0025 and times 1. So ang atong total answer, the interest earned is P, 2,500 pesos. So mano siya ang ato ang interest earned. So next is number 2. If an entrepreneur applies for a loan amounting to 500,000 in a bank, the simple interest of which is 157,500 for 3 years, what interest rate is being charged? So, solution. So, ang given is ang P, which is 500,000, and ang I equals interest 157,500, and T equals 3 years. So 3 years. So since ang gipangita man nato ang interest rate, so ang formula sa interest rate is R equals interest over PT. R equals I over PT. So, ato siyang substitute ang value sa I, which is 157,500 over 500,000 times 3, which is 3 years. So, ang answer ang charge an annual simple interest rate of 10.5%. So, muna siya ang interest rate sa charge. So, 10.5%. So, next, what is discount? So, a discount is the amount deducted from the original price. So, ang formula sa discount is D equals PR, where D equals discount, P equals original price, and R is the discount rate. A bag costs 2,000 with a 10% discount. Find the discount. So, pila man yung discount. So, ang given 10, ang given P equals 2,000, and then ang R na to equals 10% or 0 or 0 or 0.10. So, kung gamitan nato siya og formula D equals PR or original price times discount rate. So, substitute the value D P, which is kanini ang 2,000 times the R or the rate na discount rate is 0.10. So 2,000 times 0.10 equals 200. So the discount is 200 pesos. Ano siyang discount? So instead of paying 2,000, you only pay 1,800 na lang kay 2,000 ang bag, and then discount man of 10%, so minus og 200, so mo na siyang nahimong 1,800. So that's all. Thank you.